So now we got to get this into a working style. What I'm going to be using is the 7 Satara Shape Gel, just to add a little bit of memory to his hair while also creating as much volume as possible. And because his hair is curly in texture, we're going to take a diffuser with hot heat, high pressure, and we're going to create our shape. Now, the reason why we put a pre-style in there is because I wanted this haircut to have memory without having a true hold. So I can still manipulate the hair, it's gonna do what I want it to do, and it's gonna move where I need it to move without it crunching, without his hair being dehydrated. It's gonna keep everything looking nice and healthy, which is the entire point of blow drying and thermal styling.